Hello friends, in this video I am going to review the much needed book for your UPSC preparation, that is Certificate Physical and Human Geography by G.C. Leon. Before that, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Okay, now let's go into the video. I ordered this book from Amazon. Now I got the black cover and it is the new edition. As you can see, the page quality is okay and diagrams are also very colorful, and it is very small book. If you see here, it is a very small book. It just have 192 pages. Okay, totally it has only 192 pages, and if you have completed the NCERT books, and you can just refer this book, okay, because it is very easy to study and it has minimal pages only, so it is not very difficult to complete this book. So if you have completed the NCERT geography book, after that you can read this book. So you will give much more information and detailed information for some topics. And actually this is the index. They have given two parts. They have separated two parts. First one is physical geography, second one is weather, climate and vegetation around the world. They have covered around the world. The diagrams also very much interested, and I would recommend to read this book at least for once, because it has lot details inside this, and diagrams also very easy to remember, and it is a very colorful. They have given very colorful, and also the important points are given in the orange here. Paper quality is also very good, so you will not be bored by reading this book. Okay, so I would recommend to read this book at least once. Okay, and if you have the geography as your optional, then you should not skip this book. You have to study this book also. Okay, and less number of pages also for each chapter, so it is very easy to complete it. You can complete each chapters in 1 hour. So this book will be covered at least within 1 week, I guess. Okay, if you are studying it for nearly 7 to 8 hours per day, then this book can be completed within a week. So that much it is given easy, and also the chapters are also simple. In this chapter they have given the world map also, and they have marked with the different colors to identify which is the hot desert and which is the cold ocean currents, like that. So this map is way better than the maps given in the NCERT. Okay, because in NCERT I couldn't find what they have marked, where they have marked like that, but here they have clearly mentioned. The map is very much clear actually, so they have mentioned it in different colors also. Here you can see, if they have given in black color, it means it is a hot deserts, and the orange color means it mid latitude deserts. Okay, like that you can easily understand the maps. So I recommend everyone to read this book. And in some pages I feel the letters are very much small. This is not like a paragraph, just they have given vastly. Okay, so that letters are small in some pages. That is the only one drawback I found from this book. Other than this, I don't find any drawbacks in this book, and content wise it is given in the simple English, and also we can easily understand it. Before reading this book, you should complete the NCERTs, then only you can understand the basic concept. That is my opinion. First you just complete the NCERTs from 6th to 12th. After that you can study this book. It will not take much time. If you complete the NCERTs before this, it will take hardly 1 week to complete this book, and pages are also less. Each chapter has a less page also. Here I don't find any hologram, but I feel this is the original book only from Flipkart. page quality is good, and the diagrams are also given in diagrams are also colorful, so I don't think which is a photocopy of that original book. This is the original book, so you can order it from Amazon. That's it. If you like this video, please press the like button and share it to your friends who is preparing for UPSC exam, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, so you will find more information video on the UPSC preparation, and also I will post the video about TNPSC preparation also. So please subscribe my channel, and also please click the bell icon. Thank you for watching.